Welcome to Map OG. Have you ever been curious about how voter turnout varies across different regions? Why do some areas see higher participation, while others lag behind? Let's take a closer look at our final map. It displays voter turnout, making it easy to understand and analyze regional participation at a glance. Zooming in, you'll see that we've used different colored bubbles with different sizes, like red, blue, green, and yellow, to represent various voter turnout percentages. Yellow is used for the higher rate and red for the lower rate. And with the country boundary, it's very easy to recognize the area. This map makes it easy to identify and analyze the patterns and disparities in voter participation across different regions. Let's delve into the step-by-step process. First, navigate to Map OG Map Analysis interface. Now, go to Add Upload to upload your data. Click on Upload Vector File and upload your dataset containing voter turnout data. Once your data is uploaded, give a name to the untitled map from the Edit Map name, then click Save Map. Now, navigate to Style Data. Choose Bubble Style for your map styling. Select the layer you want to style and then choose the attribute representing voter turnout. You can adjust the bubble sizes and customize the colors to your preference. This allows you to highlight the data in the most effective way. After making your selections, click Save Style. Now, your map is properly styled, and you can easily visualize the voter turnout rates. Now go to the GIS library, enter the country name, and select the administrative boundary layer that you need, click Add. Then go to Style Data and select the basic style, choose the administrative boundary layer, then customize the color as per your need. Now we add label for getting a more interactive map. Go to Style Data again, choose the Label feature option. Select the layer and the attribute that you want to show as a label on the map. I choose the turnout percentage here. Customize the font size and color as per your need, then save this. For better understanding, enable Show Legend under the Action button to display a legend. Here we get a final output map, larger bubbles for higher voter turnout and smaller bubbles for lower turnout. You can identify the area easily through the administrative boundaries, and labels on the bubbles show specific voter turnout percentages, and the legend helps interpret the color code. Overall, it is an interactive map useful for electoral commissions to identify low voter engagement areas. Political parties can target campaigns more effectively, and researchers and policymakers can design interventions to increase voter turnout with the help of this map. We hope it helps with your project. Thanks for watching. Explore Map OG for more possibilities. Contact us at support@mapog.com for assistance.